bestie, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Raquel. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for the vibes. But yeah, I wanted to bring you guys a quick hair tutorial, something super easy and simple that you can do at home in between styles, or just if you want a nice silk press just to like go out or just to have in general. This tutorial is going to show you exactly how to get that. Make sure you watch all the way to the end so you can see every single step, especially how I achieved this bob haircut. Let's get into this video. Let's go. All right, y'all, so I just washed my hair and I'm gonna link down below the shampoo and conditioner that I ended up using to wash my hair. It was really just like a regular one, to be honest with you guys. It was just an argan oil one, so yeah, it wasn't anything too crazy or fancy. I did make sure that I removed all of the product out of my hair just because that's honestly how I always get a very just like bouncy type of silk press. So yeah, make sure that you remove all the product out, especially since you're going to be putting in new products. You don't want to, just have so much product in your hair. But the first thing that I'm gonna go in with is the Way Anti-Freeze Cream. I actually just got this sent to me. I've never used this before. So yeah, we're gonna try this together for the first time. And I'm just gonna take like 2 pumps of it. This is honestly probably more than enough. And yeah, because this is pretty thick. And I'm gonna apply this everywhere because as y'all can see, my hair is super frizzy and this smells really good. And now the next thing that I'm gonna go in with is the Kenra Platinum Blow Dry Spray. I've used this before and I really like it. This is actually the second bottle of this that I'm getting. So yeah, I feel like this works pretty good. The only thing is that you can't add too much because then it just makes your hair feel super greasy and oily. So I'm just going to add a little bit. Yeah, now my hair is ready for me to blow dry. It's untangled, as you guys can see, because I can run my fingers right through it. So I'm gonna first start off by blow drying my hair with the blow dryer comb. That's always how I start. And I don't really section my hair off into, different pieces. I really just blow dry it all like this. And then I go in again and blow dry it a little bit closer to the roots. So I'll show you guys exactly how I do that.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the light? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, that feeling just grows strong.
I could do a little ponytail, but I had to have the assistance of my man, okay? I saw he was helping because I couldn't get the back, but it looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead, because I did have a hat on, I'm gonna go ahead and re-flat iron it one more time, and it's really just to bump the ends. That's what I'm gonna do. And then just kind of catch all of these flyaways up top with my wax stick. So let's do that really quick so that then we can see the final result.
You can
So this is what my hair currently looks like. I haven't had my natural hair this short and so long. Like, I've had bobs and stuff, I get them all the time, but they've been quick weaves. I haven't had like my actual hair this short, and it's like, oh my god, like, I don't know, it's cute, whatever, but this is what it looks like, and the bob is not stiff at all. So yeah, this is what the back is giving. I tried to add like a little bump to it just so it's not super straight, even though I probably should have just left it really straight. And then I used some of the wax stick for the top, which is why it's so flat, which I probably shouldn't have did that, but it's okay because I know by tomorrow it's gonna be back to normal. So yeah, the front of my hair is really choppy, like right here, as you guys can see. And honestly, it's like that throughout like multiple parts of my hair, which is why I just was so pressed to cut it, just to kind of like hide some of the breakage. And then also when your hair is like brittle and stuff, when you cut it shorter, it kind of just cuts all of that like dead or brittle hair off too. So that was another reason why I did it, but it looks really cute. And honestly, people who see this would probably think that I went to like a hairstylist to get it done. Like, the only thing that I feel like I didn't do that the stylist would have did is a deep treatment or a hydration treatment or whatever, but I could even do that myself. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna look again later on tonight closely to make sure that there's no little hairs that, you know, are kind of just strangling. Yeah, it seems good so far. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. I am going to link everything that I used in this video for you guys as well in the description box. But yeah, this is pretty much it. And honestly, if I did this at home, you can too. So if you want to give yourself a silk press or, you know, a quick little hairdo, definitely give it a try. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.